Established in 1951, you'd be hard-pressed to find someone who remembers a time before the Fieldhouse. Predating pop music, the polio vaccine, and the state of Alaska, the Fieldhouse is a place of memories.
From the Fieldhouse, I remember my mother always sitting behind the bench for the boys.
We ran so many laps up and down the stairs at Fieldhouse, I'll never forget that.
Well, my favorite was an overtime game that we won against St. Pius. But that was, I think, in the North Kansas City tournament.
But as old traditions give way to new, nothing can last forever. The Fieldhouse is set to be demolished over the summer. On February 15th, 2018, a doubleheader between Staley's girls and boys basketball teams was held as farewell to Fieldhouse. Alumni coaches, players, and students alike were invited to watch one more game in the gym they played in decades ago. The alumni cheerleaders even gave one final cheer across the generations. Another building will be completed where the Fieldhouse now stands, ready for decades of new students. As alumni say goodbye, they can't help but look to the future.
It's one of the classic buildings, the Fieldhouse, probably in all of Kansas City. It's really, as a former player, I really hate to see it go, but as coming back here with other high school teams to play, it really needed to be replaced. I appreciate what they're doing and how they're doing it.
The Fieldhouse stood for more than 60 years. It held a history of spirit and community, and helped to build a tradition of coming together from across the city. You can replace the gym, but the spirit of the Fieldhouse will live on in the hearts it has helped to shape.